Hi there. Now, it certainly is a challenge to find the 5 best small blender for smoothies worthy of your earned money. It isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel, to point you in the right direction and show you the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we have done in-depth research to find out the best products for you. If you choose from this list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available right now in the market. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Ninja Nutri Pro Compact Blender. Ninja is produced by the company responsible for Shark Ninja vacuums, and you get the same precision engineering and performance on a budget with this compact personal blender. How does it shape up overall, then? While this is a plastic blender, the black and silver finish gives it an understated and elegant aesthetic. The 900-watt power plant gives you more than enough firepower on tap, even if you're working with harder fruits and veggies. The motor also generates enough oomph to easily crush ice for your cocktails or smoothies. Once you're done blending, pop the cup in the dishwasher worry-free. You get some sip and seal lids allowing you to enjoy your favorite juice or smoothie on the way to work. Get your day started the right way with the Ninja Nutri Pro. If this seems a little lightweight for your liking, Ninja has 4 models above the Nutri Pro in their range, so why not explore its bigger brothers? Aside from some isolated complaints about mold growing in the gasket area, most user feedback is overwhelmingly positive. For raw convenience with ample power in reserve, this is one of the best single-serve blenders at your disposal. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nutribullet Blender. Nutribullet Small Blender is ideal for singles or couples looking for a compact appliance suited to whipping up little batches. Nutribullet comes from the company that brings you the world-famous Nutribullet, so you're in safe hands. The motor is only rated at 250 watts, but don't let that put you off. You enjoy more than enough power and the motor is very torquey, too. If you have no idea where to get started making smoothies or juices, there's a nifty recipe book thrown in with the blender to inspire you. Choose from a 12 ounces cup with a sealed lid or a larger 22 ounces travel mug if you want to enjoy your creations on the go. Using this blender is as simple as loading in your ingredients, twisting the blade into place, and then attaching the cup to the power base. That nimble motor does the rest for you. While most users seem extremely satisfied with this blender, we found a handful of complaints about a lifespan of less than 1 year. These claims are tough to quantify without knowing how the blender was treated. Overall, consumer opinion is strongly positive. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ninja Personal Blender. While Ninja is perhaps most famous for their line of design-driven vacuums, they also make some fantastic blenders, including this personal blender that works wonders for single-serve smoothies. Running on 120 volts, this model kicks out 700 watts of power. As with all Ninja blenders, you'll extract the juice from the produce you place inside without overheating, and without stripping away all the crucial enzymes and nutrients. To be honest, there is little point in going on a health kick if your smoothies end up with most of the goodness leached away. The generous feeding tube lets you slide in whole fruits and vegetables, slashing prep time and giving you nutrient-dense smoothies in next to no time. Anyone just starting out on their smoothie journey will enjoy the 30 recipe book thrown in. This gives you some great options beyond the standard classics. The only real gripe we could find among a sea of positive user testimony concerns a sharp and unpleasant smell emanating from this unit the first few times you use it. If that's likely to be a deal breaker for you, explore some of the other great single-serve blenders above and below instead. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Nutribullet Personal Blender. The entry-level Nutribullet deserves a place on your shortlist. While this iteration cannot compete with the Pro or Pro Plus models, it's more than serviceable for making smoothies at home. It's also one of the cheapest single-serve blenders that won't stiff you in terms of performance, so read on if you're looking for a bargain. The motor on this model is rated at 600 watts, but this is more than fit for purpose considering the lightweight and compact nature of the original. When the extractor blades spin, they utilize a cyclonic action to smash through even the most challenging ingredients with panache. These blades are also long-lasting, made from rugged stainless steel. The blade is a breeze to remove and clean, while the cups are safe on the top shelf of the dishwasher. For newcomers to the art of smoothie making, the recipe book gives you a wide array of inspiring recipes to get you going out of the box. If you need more power for crushing ice or super tough ingredients, look at one of the more substantial blenders in this line, and if not, then enjoy single-serve convenience at its finest with the Nutribullet Original. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender. Hamilton Beach makes a variety of highly affordable products that don't stiff you when it comes to performance. This personal blender is no exception. The 14 ounces capacity is ideal for singles looking for nutrient-rich smoothies without needing to make up larger batches. Both the jar and the lid are dishwasher safe, so you'll have no tedious cleanup once you're done juicing. If you want to liven up your kitchen, opt for one of the bright colorways rather than the black or silver iterations of this blender. This is one of the weaker blenders on our shortlist, so you should be realistic with your expectations. We wouldn't describe it as outright underpowered, but it's not the best fit if you frequently blend harder fruits and veggies. Beyond smoothies, you can also rustle up baby food, shakes, salad dressings, and marinades. You get far more up your sleeve here than a simple smoothie machine. Thanks to the stainless steel blades, you'll even be able to crush up ice in small quantities. If you're looking for a cheap single-serve blender that doesn't let you down completely on the performance front, Hamilton Beach hits another home run here. So, grab whatever product you like from our list that fits you. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.